Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. If today is the first time we dey see our program, for here we will bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. And for now, we'll start with today's news. Pepe don score for friendly wey Ivory Coast play against France, and this score winning score come make us dey proud of the guy because they say the goal make sense. Me, I no too watch the highlight, but I see the report. I was very happy. Say the guy score. At least go build in confidence prior to coming and before we can come back to Arsenal, so that maybe Ateta fit still give am hope to choose am. We never really know how it goes. So this one say they talk say Saka don get coronavirus. We never know when the guy will come back, whether the guy dey quarantine now, whether the physios they check am, checking fluid level and everything. So my happiness is say make the guy really keep himself in shape, dey in scoring form, so that by the time they go come back, if Saka never dey alright, make him slot in, because I think we are playing April 4th or thereabouts. So no one here say anything to anybody. Just like Pepe score, so Odegaard sef don score screamer as Norway beat Slovakia 2-0. So that Odegaard goal, that one it makes sense also. This is Odegaard dey in one kind of rich vein of form. So as Arsenal fans, so they very happy. Say all our players play very well. We don't hear any negative news. Say maybe one person get injury apart from Odegaard. We say maybe apart from Saka, we say he gets coronavirus. Every other person, nobody get injury. Partey play well against Nigeria. Partey not get any injury. But now that one me had the fear going on, because you know say the physicality we did for African games, it did very high. So I was scared. But at the end of the day, the guy no get injury. So every other person play well. More the watch as things go sup as they will come back. Kevin Campbell don't come outside. Come talk about this Bukayo Saka new contract wey Arsenal dey plan for him. So the people talk say no doubt say Bukayo Saka deserve a pay rise for the way the guy dey play for Arsenal. He plays with all his heart, he gets, and the guy dey lunging for tackles. People dey kick am anyhow. They risking life and everything. But if Arsenal won't give him a new contract, make them make sure say they no carry him money go as high as Thomas Partey, because Thomas Partey now be the highest earner for Arsenal now with £200,000 per week. So Babaka dey talk say make them no carry Saka on near am, or you get, they just give him a moderate sum. And from what we hear, they won't quadruple Saka salary, because Kevin Campbell say he don't know how much Saka dey earn, but you won't be say make them no carry and go near Thomas Partey fee, because the guy na still small boy. You get, they say money can turn person head. You get, person they earn £30,000 per week, all of a sudden they won't go give him 200, or 190, no go make sense. But Arsenal won't quadruple the guy contract, which means they won't times him by 4. That's 30k times 4. That's 120k per week. I believe they won't give Bukayo Saka. So it's very nice just to show him how valuable they like the guy. And make every person, say Smith-Rowe said before they even be highest goal scorer with Saka, they don't score 10 goals. Smith-Rowe they earn 40,000 per week. Just imagine all these our small boys who they earn small amount of money, and therefore they carry the club for the weight of their shoulder. Whereas the senior men, they still, like I said, they earn £185,000 per week. See all these people, they earn big money. Yeah, they know they perform as much as all these small boys. That's so life no balance. There are many pundits don't come outside come talk say after this summer transfer window, say Arsenal will become a formidable force, because when you check the previous transfer window, Ateta buy some kind of players, not January, the previous one. Ateta buy some kind of players, we can help Arsenal team come progress. They buy like 5 or 6 players, everybody come gallant when they play for the team. Say now this transfer window when they come again, they go buy enough players again, they as in the reinforcement go mad. The next season we won't come go Arsenal, because as Arsenal did now, Arsenal don't get confirmed defense, the keeper and the back four they don't be solid. Then the defensive midfield partnership is still okay, at least we can still use it for now. Then the front 3 and the 9 where they play, now they go tweak some kind of things together. They go bring more firepower to come assist the boys in what they do, because we are going to Europe, and Europe we go, no one come up for group stage, one go there, play better, enter semi-final, at least semi-final, final. That's where we want to be. So, and we need to buy more players, so that's the goal. So they call it, let us know say once Ateta don't buy within the buy finish, next season if we look at our 25-man squad list, you say you will force say almost see we for bench. Imagine that kind of thing now. Well, I can't wait to see how it go unfold. Tomiyasu's Japan don't qualify for World Cup after dem defeat Australia. So even though Tomiyasu no play, because himself be integral member of the Japanese squad, So even though you no play, in fellow countrymen, they don't make am proud and they don't qualify for the World Cup. So that one sef na good thing from am. E go increase in pedigree and in status as a player. So they tell am congratulations as you are proud of him. For me, that setting, they come dey ask Lacazette, say, wetin be the thing wey Arteta bring for this Arsenal side wey make am come dey different from Unai Emery side, you get, because obviously something is different. So Lacazette come talk say, make you no lie, say wetin Arteta bring for this team, e dey plenty, and one of them na the winning mentality. So if you check the Arsenal players now, they get that winning mentality, they get that resilience, they get that patience, they know they give up at the same time. Say ever since this Arteta come, everything don't change, from the way they train, from their eating regimen, from everything they do for the club. Like everything has changed, and Arteta really learn work from Pep Guardiola, because the way we dey press, the way we dey defend, the way we dey attack, we dey play like a mini Man City. That's what he don't see. But say Arteta really try, and it deserves all the accolades, because you remember when people they cause am say Arteta out and everything. But now the reverse is the case. Everybody now don't toe the line of success. That's the truth. That's all life be. If you did succeed, you get many people go follow you for back. But once you have done gas like this, everybody go free, they will find their square root. So that's all life be. At the same time, they ask Lacazette about this top four level. Say how the top 4 they be for Arsenal, how Arsenal players stay the same. So Baba they talk say, you see this top 4, say we are very focused to get, because everybody knows say our goal for this season now to enter the top 4, because we won't play Champions League football next season. Now what Lacazette they talk say, they won't play Champions League football. Everybody know what they have to do, and that the goal. And thank God say they don't get many competitions where then they play. So it's just one thing to forget about. So then we just take them one game at a time. And Coach already talk and say every game is a final. Now wait till Arteta take ginger the boys. Now wait till Antonio Conte say can't take ginger him boys. Can tell them say the rest 9 games is a final. Arteta already tell him boys since say every game na final. Now wait till Ragnick say take the ginger man. But I know all of them can learn work from Arteta hand. The year our media setting, they can the year and can tell their own boys too. So now it's like Lacazette talk say every match is a final, and so them they approach the match. You see all this Brugge team where they talk say there's a big beat Arsenal. Look at Wolves, we slaughter them. Look at Burnley, and I hate them. Look at Crystal Palace where they play now. They now they talk say we will draw. I say it's a very tough place to go. The games are hard. They get it. On that day we will let them know. We'll let them know why we are called the Gunners, why we don't change, why we will not be the same. We don't get like 5 straight away wins. This is not Vince where they happened before. The mentality don't change, everything don't change. You get, they don't get that winning spirit, you get that resilience. Let them say, nothing is up for here. Look at the match against Aston Villa for the first half. No attempt on goal, nothing. Villa they don't sniff shishi. You get, all those Oli Watkins, they don't see anything. Coutinho and Buendia, nothing. So now that mentality we Arteta don't bring. Don't let them know. So you guys are winners. You guys are serious winners. You get, if Man City can go 15 games unbeaten, we have to do and 2 and 11. Now so you just be. On my way from that, so Calcio Mercato will be one of our monitoring spirits. Don't come outside. They let us know say Arsenal they interested in Reims striker, what they call Hugo Ekitike. Well, this guy, me, I never really watch him game. Now for YouTube, I just go check him. Everywhere, if you go YouTube, you go see people nice game. Go see that they play very well. Just know saying that their clips say they don't do cut and join, come arrange and pack and come save you on the platter of gold. Me watch him. The guy that score goals quite alright, but he's not the proven striker way I need. Because the guy in another league, the Reims, no Reims now. By the time we go come England now, before you come the year acclimatization, we don't want acclimatization. Instead of you give us Ekitike, give us Dominic, or you give us the Watkins, or you look for somebody else really available. Get now the available names me at the corner now. That's just the thing. So now we say, or you give us the Darwin Nunes. That one said that be my first choice priority because the guy is score very well and the guy is very young. Guy is skillful. That one I could go for YouTube, watch many videos about him. I see everything. Aerially, the guy na threat for leg, but on a good day, one-on-one, the guy they destroy anybody. Give him one-on-one. Say him with defender before keeper. Back. You don't find square root. That is what we are missing. We are lacking. We don't have a striker we go do that kind of thing. Whether than Ketia, whether than Lacazette, whether than Auba, we don't have that striker who say one-on-one with defender. We give him back. Boom. Don't move. Vibe shot. Boah. We don't get that kind of thing. So thank God say we don't open talks with the guy. So hopefully at the end of the summer we'll just say, okay, I have accepted to go come for you guys. Because I want me to accept a deal in principle. When they agree with the guy camp, a deal in principle to say, okay, at the end of the summer, I'm coming to join. Just like how Trusty and how that new revelation will keep Matt Turner don't agree a deal in principle. Say, okay, at the end of the summer, I'm coming for you guys. That's what we want. Before those Man U and Man City, everybody, I will shoot for the guy now. Sign a deal with him now so that I can join later. Paul Messi himself don't come outside. I can't talk about Odegaard. So Baba come to say almost say make you no lie. So Odegaard prove and wrong this season. So Odegaard busting brain. Say when they sign this guy, say no expect. Say like Odegaard quite alright. But the way the guy can't turn out, like the things we don't prove, we don't do, say it go beyond your expectation. Like you never expected it. Say he's very happy. Say the guy they play for Arsenal and what they make and they give and joy. We say if you don't check this Arsenal squad, we say they are all very very young. They still have in the next 5 years they can still be playing together. You get and that camaraderie, that bond you get. That is why Arsenal they sign a certain age range and a certain age profile. That is the goal. Players who go play together for a very long time, can't develop together, can't bond together. We say if Mr. A D here, even if in closing, I don't know where Mr. B D, and the level be that. And you just want buy square peg, can't put them on the round hole. No, buy the square peg and put it in the square hole so that the team will move forward. They're very progressive and productive. That's the goal. Michael Rickards with Alan Shearer they argue yesterday about who be the all-time best number 10 for EPL, and the argument are between Dennis Bergkamp and Paul Scholes. So Alan Shearer talking about Paul Scholes, now being own choice. Say Paul Scholes did very good. So Michael Rickards say I go talking about Paul Scholes. Then at Dennis Bergkamp, now be the person. Can't even ask Alan Shearer. Say, Baba, what did he drink now? He drink something. We drink vodka. We make it look on the sea road. I don't understand. So I say make I ask you now, who be the best number 10, like all time number 10 for EPL between Paul Scholes and Dennis Bergkamp? For me, Paul Scholes to be playmaker. You get Paul Scholes are just all those in short when they wife. But Dennis Bergkamp, the guy they play, the guy get baller, the guy a baller, the guy they dribble, the guy they pass, pass accuracy, all those kind of things. Then they didn't know number 10. Don't be just because the wife shot. Once the wife goes score screamer, but hey, Paul Scholes. I grew up watching Paul Scholes now. Now all those screamer, I think no, Paul Scholes and Lampard. Now screamer. Even when they play PS2 and PS1, now shots. Now they know Paul Scholes. When it comes to no pass, looking for your player, you get creating way where there is no way. You give them to Dennis Bergkamp at the level with that. Martinelli said don't get in first senior cap as Brazil beats Chile 4-0. So Martinelli entered for the match for 75 minutes and the guy played the remaining 15 or 20 minutes thereabout when he had extra time. So we just very happy for him. Say Tite don't give him in first call up, make him play for Brazil to reward them from the performances when they deliver for Arsenal. So this one is a nice one. Just hope saying we'll get more and more of this because if you see that Brazilian squad, they get players die. So anything you go make them come call you, can't play you. Say you say if you get mount, so you try. But Brazil, they get stars all over the world. So that's just be nice one for Martinelli. May come back home without injury. Our prayer be that. My God, rumor when you go around town talk say Arsenal don't agree a deal in principle with Tite, we be Brazilian coach, go take over Arsenal na Global Esporte, waiting for Brazil, and then drop that rumor. So well, ESPN Brazil don't come outside, can't debunk the rumor through Arsenal. Say Arsenal don't tell them talk say they don't get any contact with Tite, so they never tell Tite anything, say they can't join them. So then with Ateta still get their project so that they run, they never finish the project, nothing consign them with Tite, so they don't come out to debunk that rumor and that fake news. So anybody who peddle the news, make the person no even reason. I don't hear that news since, but my mind not tell me say that thing will be rumor. That's why I don't even tell them in the first place. But as ESPN Brazil don't come outside to debunk them, that's why I say okay, make a call listen and know the news and constantly debunk them at the same time. So that's how it will be. Me I know they drop anyhow news there and they drop verified news. So that's how it just be. Surprise, Arsenal don't open talks with Dembele agents, whether they come Muso Sissoko. So the plan is say Arsenal won't carry Dembele come for here, and Dembele gets one kind of rocky relationship with Barca hierarchy. For January they be the one sell and buy with desperation. They won't come out and to reduce that wage cap, but all of a sudden last they can't still forgive him as he no go because even Xavi can't say in career don't finish, but last they can't forgive him and they play for them. He's an integral member of their squad now in partnership with Aubameyang is key. Now the two of them play for Borussia Dortmund where Dembele they give Auba assist. Now two of them don't continue for Barca now. Dembele don't give Auba assist. So now Arsenal they say okay Baba come join us. So we never know whether it will materialize at the end of the summer. I mean Barcelona will change their mind because they give the guy a bumper contract because his contract is expiring at the end of the season. So that is why they give an ultimatum. Either you sign an extension or we will spoil your career and not go play any single match in the season end. the guy no sign. The guy even go report them to the Players Association. So why did they give her all this kind of ultimatum now? Which levels now? They threaten in life. They can't run back her. But last they don't settle their issues. But they never give him a new contract because their president themselves say they no will give him new contract. So I never know how this story will unfold. But sure, I would like make this guy come join us now. If he can join us now, we ain't gonna play. She no go hamper the progress of people like Emil Smith-Rowe, Martinelli, and Odegaard and Saka. How this thing will unfold? Then let me know for the comment section. Even Darren Bell don't come outside from media setting when he talk about similarities between some players. So in with Andy Goldstein of TalkSport, they argue between Odegaard and Bruno Fernandes. So he can talk say for him, saying go take Odegaard over Bruno Fernandes any day, anytime. You get see the way Odegaard they play for Arsenal. So Odegaard they command respect. He's a leader that people trust. As in he always calls for the ball. Like if you if you give Odegaard, your mind rest say this guy na see I get. Saying go see somebody when go give the ball because I'm visionary. The see road you get. Unlike Bruno Fernandes, will say if you hold ball, people don't get trust. They don't get that belief for where in they get. Since Ronaldo come, the guy got the flop. You get though, and the Goldstein got to say him prefer Fernandes. Even they can't even bring the name of Van der Vaart of Tottenham Hotspur. So Darren Bell just say Van der Vaart or Odegaard, so he go pick them any day, anytime. They be senior number 10, they see road like mad. They know you don't go compare them with this Bruno Fernandes. So that the issue be that. But make I even told the matter to myself between Odegaard and Bruno Fernandes, who you go fit pick? Say okay, now be your number 10, make on the play for you. Let me know for the comment section. And if you don't watch yesterday updates, check the top left corner of your screen. You will see the thumbnail. Click on so that I go get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So it's CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. Game out.